Welcome to our deep dive into the AI gold rush.
Yeah.
We're going to be looking at Neil Patel's YouTube video, How to Get Rich in the New Era of AI 2025.
Hmm.
And he's making some pretty bold claims about, the massive opportunities AI presents. And we're here to sift through the hype and see what's actually actionable.
Yeah, it's fascinating how Patel emphasizes niche selection.
Mhm.
Even in a field as dynamic as AI, he's arguing that you can't just jump on the AI bandwagon. You need to find a specific area
Yeah.
to really, dominate.
Yeah, and he uses this great analogy. Instead of just saying marketing, think AI-powered marketing for sustainable fashion brands. It's
Hmm.
about getting hyper-specific and leveraging, your existing passions and knowledge. So
Hmm.
what are your passions? Could you envision an AI-powered niche for yourself?
Absolutely. Think about it. In a crowded market, specialization lets you build deep expertise, target a specific audience, and stand out from the competition.
Yeah.
It's not enough to just know how to use AI tools. You need to offer something, unique.
So true. Patel lays out 5 specific AI money-making opportunities, and he dives deep into real-world examples. It's not just theory, he's giving you actionable steps.
Yeah, let's start with AI agents.
Okay.
Patel describes them as the body to the AI brain. They take action in the real world. Imagine an AI agent scanning job boards, 24/7, tailoring your resume to each posting, and even submitting applications for you.
Wow.
That's the kind of power we're talking about.
It's incredible how much these agents can automate. Patel even gives examples of AI agents analyzing sales data to identify high-value leads.
Right.
It's like having an entire team working for you around the clock.
But here's where it gets really interesting. Think beyond just using pre-built agents. Platforms like Crew.A are empowering people to build custom agents, tailored to specific tasks and industries. This is where the real opportunity lies, especially for those who can identify a niche and build specialized agents to meet those unique needs.
No coding required. That opens up a whole new world. What task in your job would you love to automate with an AI agent? Keep that in mind as we move on to Patel's second opportunity, AI translation services.
Hmm. In today's globalized world, reaching a wider audience is crucial. Patel uses Mr. Beast and Apple as examples. These brands are going global, and they need their content accessible to everyone.
He's right. Multilingual content is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But translation isn't just about replacing words.
Right.
It's about conveying nuances and cultural context.
Exactly. And that's where AI tools like 11 Labs come in. They're using cutting-edge technology to go beyond literal translations, capturing the subtleties of language and culture. Imagine the possibilities for businesses looking to expand their reach and connect with audiences worldwide.
It's a game changer, especially for fields like entertainment, education, and e-commerce. How could you use translation to reach a wider audience with your work?
Think about it. Would translating your website or marketing materials open up new markets for you? Could you offer your expertise to a global audience through online courses or webinars? The possibilities are truly exciting.
Speaking of content creation, Patel's third opportunity is all about AI-powered podcasting. He highlights 2 major applications: converting written content into audio with cloned voices and generating short-form clips from longer podcasts.
This has the potential to revolutionize the podcasting landscape. Imagine taking blog posts, articles, even books, and turning them into engaging audio experiences. Suddenly, anyone with valuable knowledge or a compelling story can reach a global audience through podcasting.
It's almost like magic. You can have a podcast without ever recording your own voice. But what about the quality? Can AI really replicate the nuance and personality of human speech?
That's the key question. While AI voice cloning technology is rapidly advancing, content quality remains paramount. It's not just about replicating a voice, it's about crafting a compelling narrative, delivering information effectively, and connecting with your audience on an emotional level.
So it's not just about the technology, it's about the human element.
Hmm.
What kind of podcast would you create if you could leverage AI to streamline the production process?
That's a great question. Would you share your expertise on a specific topic? Tell captivating stories. Maybe even create an AI-powered fictional series.
The possibilities are endless. Patel's fourth opportunity dives into the world of AI-powered data visualization. He argues that visuals are key to breaking down complex information and making it accessible to a wider audience.
It's true. We're constantly bombarded with data, and visuals help us make sense of it all. Think about the power of a well-designed infographic. It can take complex data and transform it into something engaging and understandable.
Exactly. Patel even points out the marketing benefits of data visualization. Visuals can go viral online, attract backlinks to your website, and ultimately boost your conversion rates.
He specifically mentions infographics, but think beyond that. AI is being used to create interactive dashboards, dynamic charts, and even immersive data experiences. These tools can help businesses understand their customers better, track their progress, and make more informed decisions.
It's about turning raw data into actionable insights. And the best part, AI is making these sophisticated visualization tools more accessible than ever before.
Tools like PictoChart are empowering people to create professional-looking visualizations without needing advanced design skills. Imagine being able to take complex data from your work or personal life and turn it into a compelling visual story.
What data would you bring to life with AI-powered visualization? Think about your own work, your hobbies, or even your personal finances. What insights could you glean by visualizing that information?
It's a powerful way to unlock hidden patterns and communicate complex ideas in a way that resonates with others. And as AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for data visualization are only going to expand.
Patel's final opportunity is all about AI-powered website building, and he makes it sound incredibly easy. He highlights platforms like 10Web, which use AI to handle the heavy lifting of website creation, from design to functionality.
Welcome back to our deep dive into the AI gold rush.
In part one, we explored 5 exciting AI-powered business opportunities presented by Neil Patel.
He paints a compelling picture of the potential rewards.
So let's get real for a second.
Yeah,
No gold rush comes without its challenges.
exactly. What are some of the potential downsides we need to consider?
Like, what are we not seeing here?
Well, one major factor is competition. As these AI tools become more accessible, more people will be vying for those same clients and opportunities.
So it's not enough to just be good at using AI tools. You need to be exceptional, right? What sets you apart from the crowd?
Absolutely. This is where niche specialization becomes even more critical. It's about finding that unique angle, that specific problem you can solve better than anyone else using AI.
Okay. And what about the rapid pace of AI development? It feels like new models and tools are emerging every day. How do you even keep up?
That's the challenge and the thrill of this field. Lifelong learning is essential. You need to be constantly exploring new tools, experimenting with different platforms, and staying up to date on the latest advancements.
It sounds daunting. Where do you even begin?
There are so many resources available. Follow industry thought leaders, subscribe to relevant newsletters and podcasts, join online communities, and attend webinars and conferences. It's about being proactive and carving out time for continuous learning.
Okay, so you're saying, like, really dedicate yourself to it. And
Right.
don't be afraid to get hands-on, right? The best way to learn is by doing.
Exactly. Experiment with different AI tools, build your own projects, and don't be afraid to share your work and get feedback. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
So we've talked about competition and the need to stay ahead of the curve. But what about the skills themselves? Besides knowing how to use AI tools, what else is crucial for success in this AI gold rush?
Well, technical skills are important, but don't underestimate the power of soft skills. Communication is key. You need to be able to explain complex AI concepts in a clear and concise way, both to clients and colleagues.
Yeah, because if you can't articulate the value you bring to the table, no one's going to hire you, right? It's
Yeah.
all about connecting with people and building trust.
Exactly. Critical thinking is also essential. You need to be able to analyze data, identify patterns, and make sound judgments, especially when dealing with AI-generated insights.
Because, I mean, AI can give you information, but it can't tell you what it means or what to do with it. You need to be able to interpret the results, connect the dots, and draw your own conclusions.
And perhaps most importantly, you need adaptability. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, so you need to be willing to learn new skills, embrace new tools, and pivot your approach as needed.
It's all about being agile and staying ahead of the curve. So to recap, we've discussed the potential downsides of the AI gold rush. We've talked about the fierce competition, the need for continuous learning, and the importance of both technical and soft skills.
In the final part, we'll explore how to navigate this ever-changing AI landscape, ensuring that you're not just keeping up, but thriving in this new era.
Stay tuned for part 3, where we'll discuss how to future-proof your skills, identify emerging trends, and position yourself as a leader in the AI revolution. We'll be right back.
Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into the AI gold rush.
We've covered the opportunities, the challenges, and the essential skills.
But as we've discussed, the AI landscape is constantly evolving.
So how do we stay ahead of the curve and ensure we're not just surviving, but thriving in this new era?
That's the million-dollar question. What are some concrete steps we can take to future-proof our skills?
First and foremost, embrace continuous learning. Don't let your current skill set become your ceiling. Make time to explore new AI tools and technologies, experiment with different platforms, and stay informed about the latest advancements.
Yeah, easier said than done, right? With so much information out there, where do you even start? It can feel overwhelming, absolutely, but there are great resources out there. Follow industry thought leaders, subscribe to newsletters and podcasts, join online communities, even attend webinars and conferences if you can.
It's all about being proactive and making learning a part of your routine.
Exactly. And don't underestimate the value of hands-on experience. The best way to learn is by doing. Experiment with different AI tools, build your own projects, and don't be afraid to share your work and get feedback.
It's like anything else. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
Now, beyond honing your skills, it's also crucial to anticipate future trends. Pay attention to what's happening in related fields like machine learning, data science, and natural language processing. Advancements in those areas often trickle down into the tools and applications we use every day.
So it's about connecting the dots and seeing the bigger picture.
Precisely.
Yeah.
One trend I'm particularly excited about is the development of more personalized and human-like AI interactions. We're moving beyond simple chatbots towards AI systems that can understand and respond to our emotions and needs more effectively.
That's incredible. What are the implications of that for businesses and individuals?
Well, imagine AI-powered customer service agents that can provide empathetic support or personalized learning experiences that adapt to your individual learning style.
Yeah.
The possibilities are vast.
It's like having a personal assistant that truly understands you. Are there any other trends we should have on our radar?
Another area to watch is the increasing integration of AI into our physical environments. We're already seeing this with smart homes and self-driving cars, but this trend will only accelerate.
It makes you wonder, how will AI shape the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us?
It's an evolving landscape, and we need to be prepared to adapt to these changes, both individually and as a society.
It's a bit daunting, but also incredibly exciting, wouldn't you say? We're living in a time of unprecedented technological advancement, and AI is at the forefront of this revolution.
And remember, you don't have to be a tech genius to succeed in this new era. What matters most is your willingness to learn, adapt, and embrace the possibilities that AI has to offer.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into the AI gold rush, what's the one key takeaway you want our listeners to remember?
The AI revolution is here to stay, and it's transforming every aspect of our lives. Embrace the opportunities, be mindful of the challenges, and equip yourself with the skills and knowledge you need to thrive in this exciting new era.
It's not just about getting rich, it's about using these powerful tools to make a positive impact on the world. So go out there, stake your claim in the AI gold rush, and let's build a future where technology empowers us all.
Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.